Hello students, I hope all of you written very well. Let's see mathematics key of TS Polyset 2021. So this is the first question, 1 by root 2 is a irrational number is answer, and second question, HCF 8925 is 1, and find the value of log 0.1 0.01. The answer is 2, because you can write that as 10 power 1 and 10 power minus 2, which is a 2 will be answer. And fourth question, the value of log e root e to the base e will be 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2 for fourth question. And 2 power x is equal to 8 square. If you write it, you will get 2 power x is equal to 2 power 6, and answer is 6. Coordinate number of the set, that means there are 5 numbers, 5 elements, we can say the coordinate number is 5. Answer is A. And seventh is B minus A means that is 2021. Seventh answer is 2021. And eighth answer is, if you do, it will come as 17 and 9. So it will be both negative. So it will come 17 and 7. So minus 17 minus 7 will be the roots. So both are negative. 8th question. And 9th question is direct question, u power 6. So the degree is 6. The value of x which satisfy the equation is, directly you can solve the equation, then you will get the answer as 2.25. And 11th question, which is not equal to, that means the solution of this is 1 comma minus 1. So if you observe 2 3 4 are equal to 1 comma minus 1, and first one will be the not equal. So answer is 1. 12th question, k is equal to not equal to minus 3, so B is answer. 13th question, directly you can solve, it is a 1 is answer. 14th is a linear equation, wherever square is not there, that will be the linear equation. So 1 3 4 linear, so answer is 2. 15th, what is x value, directly you can find 1. 16th, the roots are 2 comma minus 3. So this is if alpha comma beta roots, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta will be, if you take LCM, alpha plus beta, sum of the root is minus b by a by c by a. So a cancel, minus b by c will be answer. So 17 that. 18th one answer is minus 2. 19th, if the roots of the quadratic equation is sin alpha cos alpha, then so simply you take sum of the roots, it will be sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to minus b by a, and sin alpha cos alpha is equal to c by a, squaring on the both sides, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to b square by a square, then 1 plus 2 c by a is equal to b square by a square. So answer is 2. And 20th question, answer is minus 25. 10th term of arithmetic progression is minus 25. And 21 is, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 7 is 13 2-digit numbers. The sum of 15 terms of AP is 360. Sigma n is equal to 45, then what is the n value? So use n into n plus 1 by 2 formula, sum of first n terms, then 9 will be answered. 9 into 10 by 2 is 45. So first 9 terms will be 45. The distance between the point 0 0 5 comma 12 will be 13. Answer is 13. 25. If the slope of the line x comma 5 5 comma 2 is 3, then the value of x is, answer is 6. Area of triangle formed by the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p with the coordinate axis is, the area of triangle is p square by 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So answer is 1. 27th question, the center, directly midpoint formula. So 1 plus 7 by 2 is a 4, 2 minus 4 by 2 is a minus 1. So 4 comma minus 1. Next, ABC and DF are two midpoints of sides AB, BC, CA, then the area of DF and ABC. So here DF is a smaller, ABC is the bigger one. So 1:4 will be the answer. 29th answer is 20 centimeters. 30, the answer is 24 18 centimeters given and 8, so answer will be 6. 30th. Next, if a parallelogram is cyclic, parallelogram cyclic means it is a rectangle. If a rhombus is cyclic, it will be square. If a parallelogram is cyclic, then it is a rectangle. If ABC PQR, A is 32, B is 65, then what is the B value? B is a 83. The angle in the minor segment, direct question, is obtuse angle. In the figure, what is AOC? AOC will be 140 degrees, 35, 10 centimeters, 13 and 12, 5. PB is of 5 and AP is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. The angle at tangent of the circle, direct question, 90 degrees. 37th question, AP is 12, PB is 16. Then the shaded region area is, perimeter is 58 centimeters. Next, the ratio of volumes of cones, the answer is 9:5. A reservoir, yeah, this answer will be 704. The answer will be 704 will be the answer. Next question. 39th is 704 meter cube is answer, and 40th 3 cubes 681 is melted, then the answer will be 729 cube root will be 9. 41 the answer will be 10 centimeter. 41 the rhombus perimeter is 52 centimeter, diagonal is 24, then the diagonal will come as 5 plus 5 10. And 42 if the diameter of a sphere d, then the volume is 1 by 6 pi d cube. And 43 the radius of a cone is 7 meters, its height is 10 centimeters, then the slant height is 12.2 centimeters. Directly you can do. And 44 if a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, cot b is equal to 3 by 4, then the value of tan a, if a plus b is equal to 90, then cot b and tan a both will be same. 3 by 4 is answer. Tan theta is equal to cot theta, so when both are equal, if it is a theta is 45 degrees, so sec 45 is root 2, so answer is root 2. The value of sin theta cos theta never exceeds 1, so always we know that sin theta cos theta values lies between -1 and 1, so answer is second option. So in the figure, what is the cosec A, that directly you can write 13 by 12. The value of 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 is 0. Cot theta is equal to b by a, then cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta, so you can easily solve it. The hypotenuse will be under root of a square plus b square, or else under root of, yes, a square plus b square, then it will be cancelled. Final answer will be b plus a by b minus a. 50 the angle of elevation of, so height and distance if same, then the angle is always 45 degrees. Angle is always 45 degrees, so 50th answer is 45 degrees. From the figure, what is the theta value? Directly you can say it is 60 degrees. 100 root 3 by 100, 100 and cancel, root 3, so tan 60 is a root 3. The top of two poles 20 and 40, so one is a 6, one side is 6 side, and slant height we need 30 degrees is the angle. So sin 30 you can take, sin 30 is equal to 3 by x. If you do that, 3 by x, so 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by x, x is equal to 6. Sorry, x is equal to 12. Yeah, answer is 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by x, x is equal to 12, right? 52 is a 12 answer. 53, if 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then the probability of getting at least 2 heads, at least 2 means 2 or more also can possible, so it is a, in fact 1 by 2 will be the answer. Actual answer will be 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. 54, if 2 digit number chosen at random, then the probability the number chosen multiple of 3 is 1 by 3. It is a 1 by 3. Next question. (55) Px plus P naught direct question, E1 is answer. a dice thrown twice, then the probability of that 5 will come up at least once is 11 by 36. 11 times 5 will come. So with 5, 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3 like that you can draw. So total 11 will come, and in the denominator 36 will come. So 11 by 36. If the mean of 6 7x 8 by 14 is 9, then x plus y is 19. The aim of 30 students, 42 among them 2 students are got 0 marks. That means you do 42 into 30 by 28. Then you will get answer as 45. The median of this, directly you write either ascending order or descending order. The middle one will be 19. So answer is 19. Mode of ABCD is because nothing is repeated. So answer is no mode. So this is very easy question paper. So I hope all of you will do your best. So you can mention your marks in the mathematics in your comment box. Okay students, thank you and all the best.